Hello, friends. Let's explore the alphabet. Are you ready?
A, angry. B, brave. C, calm. D, delighted. E, excited. F, friendly. G, grumpy. H, happy. I, interested. J, joyful. K, kind. L, lonely. M, moody. N, nervous. O, overjoyed. P, proud. Q, quiet. R, relaxed. S, sad. T, thankful. U, upset. V, vibrant. O, W, worried. X, excited. A, yawning. Z, zany.
A, B, b, C, k, D, d, E, F, G, g, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z,